Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated throwbacks with a modern twist. The 2025 Oldsmobile Cutlass S71. That's right, Oldsmobile is back, and they've brought one of their legends into the future with bold styling, cutting-edge tech, and a heart that roars. Let's explore what makes the S71 more than just a name revival. When you first lay eyes on the Cutlass S71, it immediately demands attention. The front end pays homage to the classic muscle car design, yet it's reborn with a modern edge. The aggressive grille is wide and low-slung, surrounded by angular LED headlights that carry a signature lighting pattern inspired by the original Cutlass, but sharpened for the new era. The hood features subtle bulges and air intakes, hinting at the power lurking beneath. It's not just about style here, it's about presence. The front fascia blends vintage nostalgia with contemporary aggression in a way few other modern muscle cars have managed to do. Moving to the side profile, you get that unmistakable muscle car silhouette. A long hood, a slightly tucked-in waist, and a bold rear quarter give the Cutlass S71 a poised stance. The bodywork is clean but not dull. Creased lines and subtle flares above the wheels add a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. Sitting on 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber, it hugs the ground with confidence. The frameless windows, dark-tinted glass, and gloss black mirror caps further amplify its street credibility, making it clear this isn't your grandfather's Oldsmobile. This is a rebirth for a new generation. Around the back, the design gets even more intriguing. The taillights are narrow, stretching across the width of the rear, and feature a red-amber sequential pattern that lights up with a futuristic flair. The rear bumper is sculpted with integrated diffuser elements, flanked by quad exhaust tips that not only look mean, they sound it too. There's a lip spoiler on the deck lid, subtle enough to be classy but effective enough to improve aerodynamics. A small retro-inspired S71 badge sits proudly on the trunk, bridging the past and future with style. Now let's talk about the cabin, because Oldsmobile didn't just focus on the outside. Inside, the 2025 Cutlass S71 is a fusion of luxury and performance. Step in, and you're greeted by a cockpit that wraps around the driver with purpose. High-quality materials dominate. Leather and suede seats with diamond-stitched contrast stitching, aluminum trim on the dash and doors, and ambient lighting that shifts tones based on driving mode. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you everything from classic analog look gauges to performance data like G-force, lap times, and engine output. The center console is dominated by a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, powered by GM's latest UI interface. It's smooth, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Below that, you'll find tactile toggle switches that control drive modes, suspension settings, and launch control. Yes, this car means business. The steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and trimmed in Alcantara with paddle shifters behind it. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system ensure this car is just as capable on a road trip as it is on the drag strip. Under the hood, the 2025 Cutlass S71 is a true beast. Powering it is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 that delivers a staggering 670 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, optimized for both blistering acceleration and smooth highway cruising. For those craving more involvement, there's an optional 6-speed manual. Yes, Oldsmobile kept enthusiasts in mind. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.4 seconds, and the quarter mile? You'll hit it in under 11 seconds flat. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to adaptive magnetic suspension, rear-wheel drive with available all-wheel drive option, and Brembo brakes, the S71 carves through corners with surprising agility. Driving modes let you go from tame commuter to full-on track monster. Whether you're navigating city streets or burning rubber at the drag strip, the Cutlass S71 feels sharp, confident, and thrilling. Now let's talk price. The base model of the 2025 Oldsmobile Cutlass S71 starts at around $59,000. Step up to the performance package with upgraded suspension, launch control, and Brembo brakes, and you're looking at closer to $68,000. The fully loaded model with all the tech, premium materials, and performance features, just shy of $75,000. Considering the performance and heritage you're getting, it offers solid value for muscle car fans and modern performance seekers alike. If you're considering this car, here's my suggestion. This isn't just a weekend, toy, or a collector's nostalgia trip. The S71 is built to be driven daily, aggressively if you want. It offers a surprisingly refined ride and comfort mode, and a beastly personality when you unleash it. If you're a fan of the old-school muscle aesthetic but crave modern amenities and performance, this is the sweet spot. So, would I recommend the 2025 Oldsmobile Cutlass S71? Absolutely. It's bold, it's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's exactly what the muscle car world needed. Oldsmobile didn't just revive a name. They reinvented it for a new era. This is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dive car content, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the new Cutlass S71? Would you take this over a Challenger, Mustang, or Camaro? Let's talk down below. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious.